guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this eye and lip makeup look right here. It is super glam and it is super easy peasy to do. So let's get right into it. As always, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Definitely hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. And do follow me on Instagram if you don't already. This is my handle right here. I do a lot of mini tutorials and tips and tricks and things like that on there. So definitely do follow me on Instagram if you don't already. Let's start. Using henna from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, I'm just going to apply that into my crease and blend it above as well. You want to make sure this is well blended. This is our transition shade. And you want to make sure you take it all the way to the inner corner as well. Next, I'm taking my Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in the shade Perversion. It's a black kajal pencil that is super creamy. Just applying it roughly all over my eyelid and then blending it out with a synthetic brush. Want to make sure you work one eye at a time and work quick because it does kind of set and you want to blend it out before it does. Once you're done roughly blending it out, then using that brush with the transition shade on it, you just want to blend it all out once again to ensure you have no harsh edges. Moving on to the Moondust palette from Urban Decay and that shade Galaxy, I'm just taking that and applying it all over my eyes. And seriously, this camera has not done justice to how fantastic this glitter was looking. Once again, I'm going to upload stories on Instagram, just so you guys can see what the glitters actually look like. So once I'm done carefully applying that shade all over my eyelid, I'm taking Vega from the same palette, just spritzing my brush with water with that shade on it and then applying it to the center of my eye. The reason I spritzed it with water was to increase the intensity of the color. Once I was done, I kind of went ahead and just refreshed my base. I had my base on already, but I did have some fallout. So cleaned that up and just refreshed my base. After that, I used the same kajal pencil from Urban Decay and lined my waterline. Basically applied kajal to my lower waterline, making sure it was super dark and super intense, like you can see. And then I just kind of smoked that out with a pencil blending brush. Once I was done smoking that out really well, I just went over it with that same shade henna from the Huda Beauty palette, our transition color, just to kind of tie everything together. Once I was done, I went back into Galaxy and applied that from the outer corner of my eye on top of that black to about almost midway. And then I went with Vega from the inner corner of my eye till about just blending those two shades in. Using my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara, just applying generous coats to my upper and lower lashes. After which I popped on the Winsome Story lashes. They are super dramatic and I love these lashes. Like, they look amazing with such a look. Finally, moving on, I applied the Dose of Colors Truffle Liquid Matte Lipstick. It is the most perfect nude. And that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.